How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. We got Clyde over here. So I just picked this up from a nice dude up like down the road from where I live. See if I can get this to focus. It's the Process West charge pipe in black powder coat. It is used, but if you look at it, it's in pretty good condition. I think the only one I have to replace is this gasket right over here. But he told me you could put the stock gasket on there, so there shouldn't be any problems. Compare it to the stock charge pipe. It is bigger in diameter. Of this install, easy.
Should be easy.
I feel like it's gonna be a medium. I'm gonna get irritated, but anyway, let's get started. Step 1, remove the snorkel. It's just these two bolt or clips right here. Turn it clockwise. Bang. Time to take out these two bolts. Okay. One bolt.
Never wash good.
Okay, thank you.
Maybe you never wash good, huh?
Yeah, maybe. I don't know.
Go wash it first.
See what I gotta deal with every time I work on my car. Giving me shit. And then you go straight down. I don't know if you can see it. It's right there. That little fucking focus, bitch. That white plug over there. Come on, focus. Yes, right there. That's the one you gotta unplug.
Oh, girl.
Fuck! Wow. Clyde did it. Thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
Take out the clamp here. And when you run down the charge pipe, 2 bolts. Right there, one. Then one on the other side. Alright, so we took off the engine cover because we couldn't get to this bolt right here without taking it off. Bro, I've been getting issues with my camera. I cannot focus.
Warranty check.
My god, it's pissing me off. Okay, we just took off the stock not BOV, charge pipe. Look at them. See the difference? And then we took the stock gasket from here. Just go like that. Bang. Difficulty level, should give it out of a 10.
5.
Oh yeah, not too bad. It's not like we're opening up the engine.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna mount everything on and we'll see you guys in a bit. Alright, so we just fitted the charge pipe from the top mount all the way down to the turbo. Now we're just tightening all the clamps. Clean, clean, clean. It's way better.
Way more.
Hopefully next up can get a new top mount and hopefully get a down pipe as well so I can go stage 2. Cherry. I'm gonna reflash my tune and start them up. Got the car running. So far so good. Let me check the gauges. Though the dam is not dropping, there's no knock, so you ready for a test drive?
I'm ready.
We're just letting the car warm up right now, and then let's see if we feel any difference, any power gains. What do you think? Just butt dyno?
Probably butt dyno.
In the meantime, let's listen to some jams. Too much vape.
Kinda, you know, Subaru owner, that's why.
Gotta air out the vape.
Gotta air out the vape.
My model, no more the vape vent, huh? No.
Oh yeah, no more.
The thing is solid roof.
Solid roof. No sunroof. So no more the vape vent.
I give it a little gas. Is it me or is it a little bit louder?
Yeah, I feel like the blow off is a little bit louder.
Just a spool, yeah.
Yeah. I think you could hear it.
I don't know, I could be wrong.
Yeah, we could just be hearing
That's
things.
how it is every time you saw a part. You think it changed something, but maybe it didn't in reality.
Yeah. No, but it does sound
okay.
louder though.
Yeah.
That's in my opinion. You drive the car every day, so I only ride in it a few times.
Let's get on one pull real quick. What you think?
I just think the spool is louder.
Might be a little faster. I don't know. Kind of lost traction a little bit.
Yeah, you kind of did.
Was that 80 pull?
That's pretty quick. That was quick.
One more pull, one more.
Nah, it pulls hard.
Cannot wait till I get my downpipe. The thing gonna yank more.
Yank.
Yeah, that's my next mod, I think. Downpipe and probably TGV deletes.
Then stage.
That's gonna be stage 2 right there.
Stage 2.
And then maybe if I have enough money, then can get one top mount, a bigger intercooler.
Yeah, gotta save up the money first.
Anyway, guys, don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe, leave a comment if you have any questions
Yeah.
about anything of the videos I posted recently. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.